Alright guys, what's up? It's Ben here again, or Ben Reviews Crap. This is the third video now. Well, the third review. It is, thankfully, we're moving pretty fast on this channel. A pretty fast-paced item. But I have 3 items for you today. I don't know if I have to do separate or do them all in one video. I'll see what time we're on as we do this. But my first item for you is this. It's a laundry bag with a upholstery enclosure. It's jumbo, 61 centimeters by 91 centimeters, approximately. Apparently, I can't get this on camera, so I'll have to do it this way like this. Perfect for travel. Holds up to 2 loads of washing, and is heavy duty. And you can see how my mother ripped some of the cardboard off so she could use it as some paper. So I don't actually know, it might just be like whoever made this. On the back we have the actual text of the laundry basket. Laundry bag with upholstery enclosure. Instructions. Machine wash on core setting with similar colours. Do not bleach, do not iron. Tumble dry on low setting. Got 30 something, and then we got some do not iron washing machine, I think. I'm not too sure. Looks like a DJ disc, like one of them scratchy things. And then this is, I don't know, but let's open it, shall we? So I've never actually opened this before. I was supposed to take it on holiday with me when I went away for a week, but I forgot all about it. Surprise, surprise. I can't actually get into it. Now, I hope this isn't a massive... Oh, feels very plasticky, if you want to call it. Yeah, you've seen that. Well, it feels very plastic, like an old school bag, one of them like drawstring school bag things. Wow. Unfortunately, it doesn't look as... I'm not sure if this is just like a viewfinding thing, but it doesn't look as yellow on the camera, does it, as it does actually in person. Wow, this is very big. Oh wow. So I'll chuck it over my TV. So this is the bottom, of course. What's the bottom like? It's just a fold over thing. Actually, it feels pretty strong, I'm not going to lie. And it feels really nice. But as you can see, it does say caution, may smell. Yeah, because my mother is very cheeky and she likes to play all that kind of shit on me. So he's got the drawstrings here, and you can see there's one there, and then there's one. Oh no, it's just one drawstring. Just one drawstring, and it folds up at the top like a normal bag. How interesting. And then you pull this down to stop it from opening, and then you pull this back up. There you go, there's a free lesson for you kids. So let's chuck that out of the way. Item number 2. Now, you may have, if you did watch my introduction video, you may have saw this item already, but we have an alarm clock. It's currently 3:52. Oh no, my bad, it's 2:52. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good alarm clock, when it worked anyway. When I used to use it, or my sister, it was my sister's originally, but when she used to use it, it's actually a really good alarm clock. Unfortunately, I don't think it's working anymore. But as you can see, we've got the... I'm not sure actually what they call it. The numerical interface, and you've got this little thing here. Let's just move... how do we do it? Let's just move these out of the way. You can see this here is the alarm clock. Now, you're probably wondering how this works. Now, basically, what you do is I've got manual focus, which sucks. Well, But basically what you do is you've got a little button on the back. We'll get to that in a second. Let's just get some light onto this. Trying to get to focus properly. Focus, damn it. Damn it, there's no autofocus. But as you can see, whoa. But you can see there's, here you've got the, let's just use the little finger. You've got 12, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what you do is you, if I can find the button without you seeing, you can see here that you choose which one you want. So if you want 2:30, you go about there, midway, and that'd be 2:30. Or if you wanted, I don't know, 10 o'clock, you'd have to go with that. That's how you set 10 o'clock alarm. So you can see the bottom, it's got sturdy legs. It doesn't rattle about, anything like that. Nothing interesting at all right there. You can see the legs does come off rather easy, but I've never actually took these off before, so you can see, you can, if you want to use it as a rolly or whatever shit, you can. Let's just screw this back on. It does actually need a good clean. I haven't cleaned it in a while. There we go, that looks better now, we're in focus. But you can see it's very tidy. It's made by a group called Actim. Never heard of them before. We've had this, well, I've had this alarm clock around, I don't know, a couple of years maybe. Nearly a couple of years, I don't know. It's got a fairly nice chrome finish to it. And you can see the top. This is the actual alarm, like what rings when you move this out of the way. It does this. You're not supposed to do that light, but it moves from side to side and oh, you get the idea. So these screw off evidently, and this little thing here, oh, it's not that one. Where is it? This little thing here stops, like when you don't want the alarm to go off, that stops it from doing that. How interesting. Let's go to the back, shall we? Yes, this is the back. Never actually figured out what this was for, but it's broken, so I don't know. Now, this one, what you do is you twist it and you get the alarm, and then this one you twist it and it's twisted, but I twisted it all the way the other day when I found it, but it doesn't seem to be working anymore, which sucks. You can see this is the alarm switch and this is the clock setting switch. So we'll use this one just to show you. Can we get any focus? There we go. You can see this sets the time. So the time is, where's my phone? Oh, we're using my phone, so we can't do that. Oh dear. I don't actually know the time. I believe it's about 4:15. So we'll set that for 4:15. There we go. And you can see, if we can get some focus on the back of the clock, you can see that this is the alarm. You can see all the rust around. I'll just get into focus, see if you can pick it up. Will it pick it up? You can see there from the reflection on the window all the dust and dirt and everything around it. This has just been sat away in storage for quite a long time. But we'll just set the alarm. Oops, wrong way. You can see that the alarm, that's how you change the alarm with that current switch. So let's move that. And then what you do is you, oh Christ, apparently the alarm is actually turned up, as well as the clock, but nothing actually happens because it doesn't work. Enough of that. Look at all this crap on my desk. And then the third and final item is this. Yes, no, it's not actually a bracelet. You can't actually see any signs. Here we are, we've got a black one here. We can't actually see that. Have we got any on the blue? No, it's all on the black. Can we focus in on this? No, here we go, right there. It's a smoke-free little toy thingy. This comes in a NHS pack thing, stop smoking kit. Sadly, it does not work. Basically, the idea is to, when you need a cigarette or a fag, you play around with this. That's the basic thing, and that's that. That's all you do. Now, the good thing about this is you can actually take it apart. So, what I did is I took it apart a long time ago. When I first got this a long time ago, I can't actually seem to take it apart, and looking through the viewfinder is actually hurting my eyes. It won't go apart. Oh dear. You get the basic idea. Then what I did is I got all the black ones like this, and then I put them together like this. And then I did black, black, blue, blue, or kind of like black, and then did all blue. But it didn't look as good, and it didn't fit in the end. Let's do that now. Jump cut. Oh, something dizzy. Never mind. Now, where have they all gone? Just kidding. Here they all are. All mixed up art. Let's see if we can get a better view of the smoke-free logo. I don't know if you hadn't got into your head yet, but these are actually made by NHS, I believe. I'm not too sure. But we've got no focus. Wow. Probably not the best you want using it. Here we are. This one should work fine. But we've got no focus. Here we are. We've got no focus. We've got no focus. Focus. No, not on the background, on the foreground. Well, that's the best you're gonna get it. So as you can see, it's smoke-free kit. And here's what I did. I got all the blues and the blacks separated like so, and then focus, damn it. And then as I simply stuck these all together. It's not rocket science. Oh, jump cut. Oh, jump cut. Oh, sent me dizzy again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's the just kidding. The right here, of course. There's no such thing as extraterrestrial. And if you do believe in that, then you're fucking delusional. Yeah, that's what happens. Oh, this is what they look like when they are put together, all in one separate colour. Shall we hook them together? Okay, go on then. Ugh. Epic slow-mo. Now we need some explosion effects, which we don't have the budget for. Unfucking lucky. yeah, that's it. I actually think it looks more cool like that than it did before. Oh, become a pot really easy like that. I think they're designed. I can't even see. I think they're designed to stay black, blue, black, blue, black, blue. But we're not. We're rebels, so we shall change the pattern altogether. I think that's all we have time for. Just kidding, we have no more items for today. If you did enjoy this video, then leave a like, a rating. You don't have to leave a like or dislike, whichever you think is the best. No, fuck you. Don't forget to leave a comment. Leave a comment with your feedback. And subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right there. Right there. See you in the next video.